What's going on, everyone? Drew here. How y'all doing? Today we have an unboxing of the Apple charger, so let's go ahead and take our knife here and chop right into this. So I did pick this up off Amazon for around 20 bucks. You can do the same as well. I'll post that link down below for y'all. Yeah, somewhat there. There we go. We just have my address from Amazon stuff right there. And there it is. The iPad 10-watt USB power adapter. We have some bubble wrap to protect it. Or air packets, I should say. So there she is. Let's move this box to the side. We don't need it. The iPad 10-watt USB adapter. Apple logo. Then on the back it just says 10-watt power adapter. Then some other mumbo jumbo in Chinese and whatnot. The side, the front, the bottom, Apple logo, and top. So let's go ahead and cut right on into this. Let's see here how to get this open without damaging the box. That worked out pretty nicely. Open it up like so, and first thing we notice is the cable. Pretty much all this does is make an extension cable for your iPad. And inside looks like we have some documentations. 10-watt USB power adapter by Apple, and there's some 1-year warranty. That's nice they include that. Let's go ahead and put that back in the box, and looks like we get our very long power cord. Some of you guys may have seen this through MacBook Pros or Airs. Got your 3-prong right there. Set that off to the side. And it does look like they include the same charger that you get with your iPad, as well as a 30-pin cord. Pretty nice they include that. There's the cord itself. You pretty much just pop that end off right there, and then plug that end on, and you now have an extension that leads up to 10 feet. You plug this in, and there you go. You got long enough feet for you to move around with, lay on the couch, and etc. So there you guys go. Thanks a lot for watching this unboxing. Don't forget to subscribe right up there for all your Apple iOS news and etc. And this has been Drew. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Follow us on Twitter. If you guys have any more questions about this product or whatever it may be, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Y'all take care.